Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see like some regular expressions, and first thing we have to see it like how to use match keyword in regular expression. Let me open idle. Normally want to match it some words, whatever I just want to provide it. Then let's see how we can use it regular expressions here. So now here RE is the library and match is the keyword and start and end is the attribute for the match. So this is we want to remember it. Now let's see how to use it. Import re, and then I can say like my string equal to this is Python tutorial, and then I can say like print of re dot match of, I can say like I have to find it this in my string. Now you can see this. So this is started at 0 and then it ends in 4. This is what here it is showing, right? Now the same thing I'm going to use it some by using some keyword attributes called like start and end, right? So here this clearly shows you, but the limitations you have, some limitation is like search return value only if the string is present at the beginning, otherwise it won't provide. For example, if I want to search it Python, then see it doesn't find. The match is like only check the starting character, this is present or not, like this. For example, in my string I can say like Python, it is the starting character. Now if you search it this one, then this will retrieve. See, so the searching string should be present at the beginning of the string, then only it will retrieve here. The start and end we can see here. Now my match equal to, I can say like re dot match. Now here if you want to print it my match dot, then it will give you like start and end. Now let's see this. Start my match dot end. Here you can see this is what you want to find it here. So if you want to grab it that character, then let's see something will say like group. Let's see here group. Now this will grab that character. This one is like 0 to 6, it picked up where it present, and you want to pick it up whether which character we search it, that one by using this group. And some more example also we can see it by using some for loop. Let's see, I'll say like my strings, I can say like in the list view I'll present like this is Python tutorial, and this is regular expression chapter, and this is match example. Like that I provided a list and list contains 3. Now I want to search it like for I in my strings, then I can say like my match equal to re dot match of, I can say like th, and after that any character. I'll say something like this. Now I can say like I. After that I want to print it my match. So it is presenting like where and all it is present like three times it is presenting the same thing. You can see it here. It is started at 0 and 3, but if you want to search it is, then you cannot. So that is what some limitation is here. So for example, if we want to use it is, then let's see what it will show here. See, none. So this is the limitation. So whatever you want to search it, that should be present at the beginning. It's a mandatory, otherwise this match function won't work. It's having more limitations, so because of that we are going to use it search keyword, that you will see in the next chapter. See you, bye.